Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about the 125th Crown United Kingdom 2022 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II and discussing its value. Hello everyone and welcome back to Numismatic Coins. Today, we have something truly special to talk about, the 125th Crown United Kingdom 2022 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. We'll delve into its history, design, and its potential value in circulation. Let's get started. The 125th Crown coin. First, let's take a closer look at this beautiful coin. The obverse features a stunning portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, which has been a hallmark of British coinage for decades. And on the reverse, we have a design that commemorates a significant moment in British history. In 2022, the UK celebrated Queen Elizabeth II's remarkable reign. This coin is a part of that celebration, showcasing the number 70, representing her 70 years as the reigning monarch. It's truly a collector's item. A numismatic expert. Now, let's talk about the value. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, this coin was relatively new, and its value was still developing. However, with its limited mintage and historical significance, it's safe to assume that this coin can become quite valuable over time. To gauge its potential worth, we can look at similar commemorative coins from the past. Coins featuring special moments in British history tend to appreciate in value as they become rarer and more sought after by collectors. Coin collector, if you're lucky enough to have one of these coins in your collection, I would recommend holding on to it for the long term. As with any collectible, the value can fluctuate, but historical significance tends to stand the test of time. To ensure the coin retains its value, it's important to keep it in good condition. Proper storage and handling are key. If you're new to coin collecting, it's a good idea to research grading and preservation techniques to maintain its value. In conclusion, the 125th Crown United Kingdom 2022 coin is a remarkable piece of numismatic history that celebrates Queen Elizabeth II's incredible reign. While it's challenging to predict its exact value, its historical significance and limited mintage make it a promising addition to any coin collection. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the 125th Crown United Kingdom 2022 coin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting!